Now coming to the development testing, we have one first type of testing known as what? Unit testing. Okay, so what do you mean by unit testing? Very simple. Unit testing, as we have seen in the previous other video, I have explained about the classification of software testing in a short video. Okay, so there I have explained, we have seen there are a lot of testing types. Okay, there are various types of testings. You might have heard, if you might have heard about unit testing, integration testing, component testing, okay, system testing, and then performance testing, and then the user testing again. In there also alpha testing, beta testing, acceptance testing, regression testing. There are many types of testings. Okay, so first type of testing. Okay, so first testing will be done is unit testing. Okay, so this is the first a type of testing which will be done. Okay, that is during the development phase. Okay, this you have to keep in mind. Okay, so this is the first testing that will be conducted by the developers actually. Okay, that is when they're implementing one by one module, you can say that is. Okay, so not not when the entire project is ready. We cannot it might become more complex. Okay, that, so we cannot we cannot perform this type of unit testing there. Okay, so that is when you're implementing one by one smaller modules, that time we do this type of testing. Okay, that is so a unit testing is a type of testing which is which focus on evaluating the smallest unit. Okay, smallest small piece of code. Okay, or you can also say checking or testing small or smallest piece of code, okay, which is actually called as what, units. Okay, so this type of testing is also known as one tier. Okay, sorry, this is one tier. Okay, one tier testing or level 1 testing. Okay, so one tier. Okay, one tier testing or level 1 testing. Okay, and it's a process of checking a small piece of code to ensure that the individual parts of a program work properly on their own. Okay, so like in a particular software application. Okay, if you have like if you have arrays concept. Okay, so even this is considered as the smallest unit. Okay, that is that is software application. Okay, whether it is arrays or functions. Okay, functions, or whether you have class, if it is an object oriented so application, right, or a program. Okay, so you might have classes. Okay, so class is also considered as a smallest unit of what, software application. Okay, so yeah, so this is a simple example I have told you. Okay, like like one by one module will be testing. Okay, here, so that is what unit testing is. And then unit tests are used to test what, individual blocks, as I have already said. Okay, of functionality. Okay, whether it is working properly or not. Okay, and unit testing is done by developers. So this I have already told you, that is in previous video. Then this type of testing comes under what, development testing. Okay, development testing, as the names says, that this type of testing will be done by what, by whom, by a team of developers. Okay, it can be a single developer or it can be a group of software developers. Okay,